Hi friends, welcome to my channel C++ Program Simplified. Today let's see a program to implement function overloading in Turbo C++.
Include the header files. iostream.h is included to use cin and cout functions. conio.h is used to make use of clear screen and get character function. Now look at these three functions. All the functions having the same name, add, but the parameters are different. The first function takes integer parameters. The second function takes float and double parameters. The third function takes integer, float and double parameters. So function overloading is defining multiple functions with the same name but with different number of parameters and different types of parameters. Now I am going to define these functions. So now see the three different functions. In the first function, adding two integer values. In the second function, adding float and a double value. In the third function, adding integer, float and a double value. So here these three functions are defined. We are going to invoke these three functions in the main. So the execution always starts from the main function. It goes inside, clears the screen, calling the function add by passing the values 1 and 2. Here 1 and 2 are integer values. So this function will invoke the first function of type integer comma integer. Now this add function will invoke float and a double value. which calls the second function add. This line invokes the third function by passing the values integer, float and double value. Get character, it waits for the user to press a key. Save the program. foverload.cpp. Compile the program, execute it. Now you are able to see the values. I'll make a small modification here. A plus B equal to, so that the output looks neat. So include the header files iostream.h and conio.h and define three functions of the same name, because we are going to implement function overloading. Function overloading means defining multiple functions with the same name but different types of parameters and different number of parameters. So here the first function takes two integer parameters, second function takes float and double parameters, third function takes integer, float and double parameters. So by defining all these three functions, all the three functions perform only addition operation, but adding two integer values in the first function, adding float and double value in the second function, then adding three different values, integer, float and double values in the third function. After defining all these three functions, define the main function. Inside the main function, you clear the screen and call all these three functions. Based on the type of value which we are passing here in the add function, that particular function will get invoked and then it displays the output. That's all about the logic of this program. Now if you see the output, see the first output is a plus b equal to 3, adding 1 and 2. In the second line, adding float and double value. In the third line, adding integer, float and double value. That's all about function overloading.